Hey guys, welcome back to the Silicon Insider YouTube channel. First of all, I want to thank all my new and already existing subscribers. Without you guys, we wouldn't have gotten this far. Today, I will be unboxing my new MSI Clutch GM50 gaming mouse and the Razer gaming pad. Please do stay till the end and I hope you enjoy it. The Clutch GM50 gaming mouse was designed to be lightweight, comfortable and very responsive, giving gamers of today speedy and mouse movement whilst playing FPS games. The mouse has multiple software for LED customization on mouse socket combinations and the ability to adjust preset to DPI to your preferred settings. It has a precise optical sensor with DPI that can go to 7200 with 100 DPI steps, making it feel like you have a lot more control stir whilst you're in game. Unboxing the GM50, the packaging displays the product clearly at the front, and at the rear has the mouse specifications, system requirements, and a quick breakdown of what the mouse generally has to offer. Now, as we are going to open up the packaging, you guys are going to see that the product itself is nicely protected and secured firmly in place by the plastic cover. And now the content of the box includes the GM50 gaming mouse and the information leaflet. It has a metallic shine to its sleek black design, and it's unfortunately only available in this color, which is definitely a shame because not all gamers want to have black peripherals as their only product color option. Bearing in mind that this is a budget mouse coming in at MSRP of $49.99. However, I do feel that MSI could have really gone the extra mile and provided at least one alternative color option. The grip areas of the mouse have a dragon scale anti-slip texture to them, making it easy to hold the mouse firmly in place while using. As well as all this, the mouse has 6 programmable buttons, 2 at the left hand side of the mouse, another when you press down the scroll wheel, a DPI switch, and finally the left and right mouse buttons. These button types are Omron switches, which have been rated for 20 million clicks. It also has the ergonomics design, meaning that it is only available to only right-handed gamers only. And here comes the end of the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the unboxing of the Razer Blade gaming pad. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe.